Hi, me again. Part 2 of the my 1968 Mustang Fastback dream car. Okay, probably any of you will. Anybody that is a purist and stuff may have seen or realized this isn't a true Shelby GT350. It's a clone, but you know what? It's my clone. And it's a nice car overall. Structurally, it's sound. Just needs some completion of wiring, brake lights, etc., etc. Right now, the steering wheel is still off because I'm just making sure everything's right before I bother going through to install it and drive it. I've yet to drive it since bringing it home. I drove it around the block once, and then I took it apart to start fixing it. And this is where we are. Gunnar says, hi. Anyway, part 2. This has been 2 weeks in the making, this video. I don't know how you YouTube people do one every week. It's you guys are better than me. I learning curve for me. Either way, it's where I am. I've got some pieces of videos. I'll put them together and make one. Video should show you my progress, and I've got some updates as I go. And any questions or anything, hey man, please leave me a message. Comments down below and I will respond to you. Thanks. Bye.
Hello. Yeah. What's up? Hey, Bubba.
No, don't touch the shit. What are you doing, dude? All right, so, parts came for the steering column, so I'm gonna try installing it. I don't know if I'll be able to record it all because of placement in the car. It's sort of tight, but I might take some pictures and add them to this video as I go. As me, Gunnar's excited too, right?
Are you? Yeah. Are you excited? Oh my goodness. You don't say. And then what? What'd he say? Who's that? Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, my big boy. Anyway, here's the parts came yesterday or whatever, and I did not want to play with them until I needed to rest. I'm a big baby. Yeah. Anyway, it's dark in here because I got the power off to the car because of this brouhaha. Let me see how this looks. Where are we pointing to here? Oh, look at that. How about that? Okay, so all right, redo. I'm putting the camera so I can see it. Now here's the wiring harness I need to disconnect. And then I will snip the wires. Because right now, no room. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Okay, cool. Now, how do I get into this thing? There we go. Cool. Disconnected. And now, call me paranoid, but what I'm going to do is make a mess here with this camera. Here we are. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is compare the colors of these wires to what came on the new thing. And if they're the same, I'm good to go. If they're not, then I have to, and of course, as far as I understand, there are two that don't go into the harness. And I'm assuming it's these two. It's a brown and white or yellow and black. I don't know. You know, stuff. Guessing 101. I'm the best. So I see yellow. And then I can't see diddly squat because this light's killing me. We're gonna hang this. Oh, come on, somewhere. Hang you somewhere. Killing me. Just freaking killing me. Okay, update. I cut the wiring because I gotta pull it through here, and there's no way this will fit through up here. So these are off. I can use these as a guide to put these on when I run it through. Now I'm just gonna unscrew this and pull it out. Hopefully I can do this without causing too much grief for myself. Starting to get the feeling this is going to be a challenge. Yay. We having fun yet? Well, get my car on the road, I'll be happy. Okie dokie smoky. Where are we here? Oh, I'm way over here. Of course we are. Now. Okay, so here's what I gotta remove. Fun, fun, fun till Daddy takes the T-bird away. Good enough. Okay, so we need Thank you. Another post bucket. Okay, now let's get this demoed thing out of here. Dumb fuck. I scared myself. Wowee. Holy shit, where the hell was this wire from? Great. It's cut somewhere. Nice mess, huh? Yeah, I wonder why my lights and horn didn't work, huh? Yeah. Brake lights, signals, and emergency flashers. Flashers. What are the odds that they don't work with this wonderful unit? Okay, so thank you for your service. Here's a new one. Look at that. Pieces. Wow.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this will be interesting. Okay, why are you causing me grief? I've seen some videos where guys do them one at a time. I think it might be the reason why they do it one at a time, because son of a bitch, this ain't easy. This being the wires feeding through the column here. Come on, you can do it. No, okay, so you have to do one at a time. All right. Okay. Now these three, which from what I saw, I don't know if they were even used. Okay, now I know the brown one wasn't, so I'll wire it up. Or, there we go. All right, so yeah, brown one wasn't, and the one yellow wasn't. They were these two. Yeah, okay. Yellow and black. That's it. Yellow and black don't go, and the brown doesn't go through to the connector down there, but they come through, and then they just get hidden. For lack of a better technical word, hidden. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we got this screwed in there, and a little tight, but we'll see. Again, I have the little rubber, whatever you call it, grommet, something that goes around this flasher here, but I realized I didn't order it when I ordered this part, so it'll be coming Monday. Phooey, today is Friday. What I might do is put the steering wheel on. Well, I'm going to power it up when I have the wiring down there connected, and just see if the wires work. If I get lights, then I'll be happy. And I might put the steering wheel on just to drive it, just to enjoy it. And then when the part comes on Monday, I'll take the steering wheel back off and put this little piece on. Oh shit, I might have had to put that on before I, but now I have horn and a whole piece of something that's not broken. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna disappear for a bit and wire everything up. Thanks, bye. Okay, sometime later, I don't know, I was able to get these in. I got still wire, tape these two up so I don't touch anything, but okay, I saw some guy on one of the forums or internet or YouTube. He had these things, and they were easy for him to pop these out of this connector. I didn't have such luck. I got frustrated, wasted a good 20 minutes just to get the yellow wire in, and I demoed I don't know how many of these little cheap pieces of crap. Amazon specials didn't work for me. I don't know, what a waste of money and time to get this. I won't be using those ever again. I got desperate and went to a very fine drill bit not big enough to make the hole any larger on this connector, but big enough to drill these little steel things out to push them out so I can replace them with the proper wiring. So that's what I've done. And now I'm going to tape these two up, and then I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to plug in the battery and see if my brake lights work. Holy crap. Let's find out. Give me a sec. Okay, the moment of truth. Taped up individually and then together so they just don't touch anything. And now, yippee frickin' skippy. Here, let me see if I can set this down. And you can watch me plug this thing in. How exciting am I, eh? Where else would you get such great YouTube videos as this? Of some dude playing with a car that, I don't know, whatever. Okay, these are designed for small hands, man. Probably easier with the seat out, but anyway. It is what it is. Come on, baby. Be good to me. Oh, crazy, I got the camera. You're welcome. I don't know if you can see this or not. How the hell did I get this out? Okay, well, here I'm slowly getting things done again. I finally got, well, finally, I did this little rubber grommet for the emergency flasher. Just, it looks a little finishing piece. This is in, signals work. Yeah, mind the mess. And I'm just pulling the seat out so I can get the new flasher in. Brake light flasher. My mistake. Put the brake light switch. Here's the old one. You can't complain for almost 60 years. Who knows when it stopped working. But yeah, Napa here, near where I live, actually had it in a couple days. So it saved me the shipping from CJ Pony Parts, which is awesome because, you know, I'm in Canada. And I'm just pulling the seat out because, or removing the seat, a couple bolts underneath these 4 spots here, taking them out. Because when I removed that switch down there, it frickin' killed me. I did not enjoy it. So I'm just going to pull the seat out. Okay, so left signal. See on the garage door there lightly. So our signals. Let's go to the front just to double check, triple check, quadruple check. Okay. So we have signals. Probably can see it reflecting. I know I can. And front light, where are you? I don't see ya. There you are. Hey. Okie dokie. So we have signals. Isn't that exciting? Okay. And we have brake lights. After putting in the switch, which was, oh my goodness, a brouhaha and a half. Okay, cool. So we have lights. Okay, so, hi. Another continuation in my video is I want to check the continuity of my steering wheel to see if I actually have a horn. You know, before I put it back on and remount it and find out there's an issue with the contacts in here, I'm just going to do a quick continuity test to see if it actually, beeps for me. So, I'm just doing is connecting to the 2 steel contacts on it and pressing the horn.
Oh, listen. Yes, we have horn. Or at least this part of the horn will work. So on the new switch thing I installed, switch thing, you know, technical speaking, it should all work. Hopefully. Here's another part. Thank you.